Okay guys, ever wanted to combine product visuals with quote style branding in one section without needing separate tools for it? Well, this section does exactly that. Today we're adding this product quote section to your store, letting you pair product images with brand logos and short callouts. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for Quotes. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for Quotes. Then choose that section. It will be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. Click on any quote and its customizable settings open up on the left side. First, let's add a background image. I'm just adding some random product images to show you how it works, but you can add the actual image of your own product here. Right below that, there's an option called Publication Logo, where you can add any logo in SVG form, just like I'm doing right now. Now let's change the background color to make it transparent, and you can update the heading text too. You'll do the same thing for every quote card one by one, customizing each one to fit your own brand. After customizing all the cards, click on the section itself, and here you can change the background color, font style, I'll switch this to Poppins, along with size, padding, margin, basically everything. There's also another option here called Invert Logo Color on mobile. If you've uploaded your logos in SVG form, turning this on removes their original colors and leaves just plain text. So it's usually better to keep this off, and this setting only applies on mobile anyway. Once you've customized everything, hit save, and this section goes live on your store instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.